Brett Bolton's natural Max Hair Vitamin is for men and women who want better overall health and vitality for their hair. Dr. Bolton is a hair restoration specialist who has been in medical practice for over 20 years and has solely focused on hair. Max Hair, his unique formulation of natural vitamins and herbs that help prevent hair loss, stabilizes and strengthens hair quality while speeding up natural hair growth cycles. Max Hair makes your hair more resilient, thicker, shiny, and beautiful in appearance, helps prevent breakage and split ends, and in many cases has helped regrow hair follicles to their original quality. Natural and safe Max Hair gives you the beautiful hair you desire. Max Hair, for everyone who seeks a more youthful and rejuvenated appearance to his or her hair. Order yours today.
Hello there, here we are with our patient Adrien. Adrien is here for a 3-month follow-up visit. We did a MaxHarvest Plus hair transplant procedure 3 months ago from the day. It was one of the biggest cases that we did. We moved about 80 square centimeters of hair. He was a complete class 7. He had a previous FUE where his donor was basically depleted, and we were still able to get a very large harvest for him. How are you?
Good. I'm feeling good, great. Yeah.
How do you like what's happening so far?
So far, super different. Yeah, really.
Has it changed your life? Just
complete. My life is complete, everything. Yeah.
Okay. Now you went home to Cuba recently.
My family is wow.
In 3 months.
Yeah.
So in 3 months they can't even believe what's happened to you. Imagine what happens in a year. So this is just the very, very early stages of growth. We completely recreated the hairline. I'm going to have you just kind of tilt your head down a little bit. Filling all the way in. As you can see, he's already filling in throughout the top. That's great growth for 3 months. I'm going to turn you to the side here. You can see the suture line is already almost undetectable at the 3-month point. You can see the whole way around how that suture line looks. This is basically already hidden. Before you could see all his FUE holes. Now you can't even see where the suture line was. This is going to continue to improve over the following months. I'm going to tilt your head back. As you can see, the outline of the spiral coming in, the directions and angles are all coming out perfect. You can see the hairs filling in throughout the entire top. Just an excellent case. These little spots are ingrown hairs. This is one of the most common things we see throughout the healing process. As the little transplanted hairs are trying to make their way through, in many cases they'll get caught underneath the surface of the graft and they might get a little scab. Best thing to do is to leave them alone and they go away. If they do decide to pop it like a pimple, that's okay. It's not a big deal as long as you clean it up after and before. And then as you can see the whole way around, how the suture line's almost undetectable on the side. And this is just going to continue to improve over literally the next year. He's going to see improvements. When we do a big case, it takes almost 18 months to get a final result. So he's 3 months into an 18-month result, and this is already where he's at. So he's going to see some amazing improvements in the time to come. Josh, is there anything that you'd like to say to this?
No, it looks great. I think he's off to a great start. 3 months, 90 days. We, as a matter of rule, will tell people don't expect anything for 3-4 months. Just beginning results. Usually the hairs are dormant for the first 3-4 months, so he's going to be a superstar result. No question.
And I completely agree with what Josh said. In many cases, some of the hairs won't even start to grow for about 6 months. So he's going to continue to see new hairs coming out and growing, and it'll just continue to improve. Anything you want to say to people thinking about this?
I'm feeling great. Really, yeah. My life is everything changed.
Excellent. Well, congratulations, buddy. We'll look forward to following up with you soon.